Welcome to this video comparing SAP Business One and Microsoft Dynamics 365. We will examine their architectural differences and what they mean for growing small and medium-sized enterprises. When businesses grow, they often face a complexity ceiling. Standard accounting software can struggle with high transaction volumes and the real-time reporting needs of complex supply chains, leading to operational fractures. The challenge is navigating the complexity threshold. While both systems manage standard financials well, they differ significantly when you cross into advanced operational needs, where add-ons can create an illusion of simplicity. Architecture impacts performance. Traditional SQL architectures rely on disk reading, which can create bottlenecks. Conversely, the SAP HANA architecture processes data in memory, enabling real-time analytics for large volumes. Manufacturing depth is another key differentiator. SAP Business One offers robust native manufacturing capabilities, whereas Dynamics 365 often requires additional modules or premium tier upgrades to achieve similar functionality. Data fragmentation creates friction. SAP Business One provides a unified data model, while Dynamics 365 may require separate subscriptions and integrations to connect sales and financial data, increasing overall complexity. Deployment control is vital for regulated industries. SAP Business One offers flexibility for on-premise, hybrid, or cloud deployments, while Dynamics 365 focuses primarily on a cloud-first mandate. Independent feedback suggests users often rate SAP Business One higher in critical operational areas, including inventory tracking, general ledger management, and ease of use. Consider the total cost of ownership beyond the initial sticker price. The need for multiple add-ons in Dynamics 365 can lead to compounding costs, while SAP Business One offers a more predictable all-in-one structure. Use this diagnostic matrix to choose the right fit. Profile A, favoring simplicity and a Microsoft native ecosystem, may prefer Dynamics 365. Profile B, requiring manufacturing depth and complex analytics, is better suited for SAP Business One. Every business is unique. We recommend a deep architectural review rather than relying on generic comparisons. Contact us for a free, no-obligation assessment of your specific operational needs.